See what kind of love the Father has given to us, that we should be called children of God. And so we are. The reason why the world does not know us is that it didn't know Him. So, hindi nila alam si Lord. So, sino magpapakilala sa family niyo kay Lord? Yung nagtitinda dyan sa kanto? God created the family. So, naisip niyo ba, God called Himself as a father, hindi boss. Hindi niya nilagay sa Bible na, I am your boss, at susunod ka lang sa sasabihin ko. A basic social unit consists in of parents and children considered as a group, whether dwelling together or not. Yun daw ay family. Ang pagkakaiba ng pag-intindi at pag-unawa. Ang pag-intindi, naiintindihan mo kasi may nakikita kang dahilan, kaya mo siya dapat intindihin. Ang tunay na pagmamahal, kailangan mo siyang unawain. Kahit dumating yung time na parang wala kang clueless ka kung bakit gano'n yung ugali. So, gano'n ang malalim na pagmamahal. There are things happen in life not to be understood but to be accepted. Nakapili ba kayo ng nanay nyo? Nakapili ba kayo ng tatay nyo? Nakapili ba kayo ng kapatid nyo? Yun yung choice ni Lord para sa inyo. So, kung hindi mo tatanggapin yung family mo, paano mo matatanggap ang ibang tao? Kasi nung nagulat yung mata mo, ang unang mong nakita, family mo. Paano ka magmamahal ng ibang tao kung yung unang regalong binigay sa'yo, hindi mo kayang mahalin? Okay? Even I am the one who takes away your sins because of who I am, and I will not remember your sin. So, ganun pagmahal si Lord, hindi naaalalahanin yung pagkakamali niya kasi He is a mighty God at nasasaktan siya kung magkaaway. Kasi titrain niya tayo because of love. I don't know what your family has done to you. I have no idea how cruel they are. Forgive them anyway. Forgive for yourself. You deserve peace. Besides, hindi mo naman mababago kahit anong gawin mo, sila pa rin ang pamilya mo. Na ito yung natutunan ko, true maturity is learning every day that you love your family. If you hate your family, you are still immature. If you hate your family, you are still immature. Bakit? Hindi mo pa nauunawaan kung bakit. Forgiveness is not an occasional act. It is a permanent attitude. A time for everything and a season for every activity under the heavens. A time to be born and a time to die. YOLO! Hindi nyo nakakala ng YOLO. You only live once. So YOLO, whatever. Pero, yes, YOLO. Your father and mother live once as well. So, the best thing you can do for your family is to bring them to Jesus.